Welcome to M365 Professional. With your files saved in the cloud, Microsoft 365 gives you the flexibility to work how you want, whether that's in the web, on your desktop, or even in Teams. Microsoft365.com is a great place to start or get back to work from any device. It's simple to get to the apps you use most, find your most recently used files, or create new documents. When you create a new document, it's automatically stored to your OneDrive, so it's simple to share and start collaborating. If you want to stay on the desktop, OneDrive is built right into Windows, and it's easy to install on a Mac. Your files show up in File Explorer, making it simple to find and open files. They also sync automatically to the cloud, so you always have the latest version. In the apps, collaborate with others in real time. See changes as they're made. Add comments and mention others. Changes are saved automatically, so you're always working on the latest version. If you're working in Microsoft Teams, you can open files right inside Teams so you stay in the flow. Add comments, make changes, and see others working in real time. On the go, use the Microsoft 365 mobile app to make quick edits and keep collaborating. Microsoft 365, the flexibility you need to stay productive however you want to work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.